Welcome to the Yes, Your Map.
Hi friends, today we are going to discuss substitution method, some harder problems. We have discussed in our previous video this substitution method. You can please refer that. Now let us see some harder problems. Solve by substitution method. 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. X by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Now, just see how to solve these problems. So, what is the first equation? 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. Now, I am marking this as A. I am writing the first equation, okay, and I am marking this equation as A. Now, I am taking the LCM, that is, I want to make it as a common denominator. So, what I am doing, I am just taking as LCM. So, here you can simply cross multiply. So, 3 3s are 9x minus 5 2s are 10y by 6. You can just take LCM and make it as a common denominator, which you have already learnt in your lower classes in grade 9, 8, like that. So 3 3s are 9x minus 10y by 6 is equal to minus 2. So here 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 2 into 6, which is in division part. If it goes to the other side, it will be in multiplication. Therefore, 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Now, this equation you have simplified and made into the general form a1x plus b1y plus c1. Okay. So, mark this as equation 1. A equation you have converted into 1. Okay, 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. So, what is the second equation? X by 3, y by 2 and 13 by 6. I am marking this as B. So, what is the next step? Same here, we are taking LCM and to make it as a common denominator. So, the common denominator is 6 and 2x plus 3y. You can multiply this and write it as a common denominator and just cross multiply. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 by 6. Now, 2x plus 3y by 6 is equal to 13 by 6. So, here 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 by 6. This 6 I am taking to the other side. So, if it is in division, when it goes to the other side, it will be multiplication. So, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 and 6 gets cancelled. Therefore, 13. Now, this B becomes equation 2. Now, I have got two equations. 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. From A, I have got first equation. From B, I have got second equation. Now, I am going to apply substitution method for solving this. Now, here, I am taking the from the second equation. So, from 2, what I am doing is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. That I am writing it as 3y is equal to 13 minus 2x. Y is equal to 13 minus 2x by 3. I am marking this as 3. So here What you have to understand here is I am taking from second equation. Okay, you can take any variable. You can take here in the same itself. You can keep this 2x here and bring this 3y to the other side, and you can form a value x is equal to some value in terms of y. Or you can choose the first equation, from one you can take and select any one variable, and if you're selecting x and writing in terms of y, and or you can select y and write y in terms of x. You can take from 1 or you can take from 2. Both are possible. You have to take one value and substitute in the other. Okay. Now from 2 I have taken this and made a third equation. Y is equal to 13 minus 2x by 3. So once again I am repeating. You can choose from 1 or 2. I am choosing from 2. Okay. You can choose from any one equation. Now I have got the value y is equal to 13 minus 2x by 3. So I am marking it as third equation. Now I am going to substitute this third equation in 1. So from 2 I got this, and now this value I am substituting in 1. So just see what to do now. Substitute 3 in 1. So what is 1? 9x minus 10y. In the place of y, you have to write this value. You are substituting this value. So in the place of y, 13 minus 2x by 3, which is equal to minus 12. So what did you understand from this? We have changed this 2 variable into a single variable. We have changed this 2 variable into a single variable. Now what is the next step? Here I am just taking the LCM and making it as a common denominator. So if I make a common denominator, we will get 3, and this 3 9s are 27x. You can cross multiply this. This 10 into 13 minus 2x is a single term. So if you multiply this 10 with other values, minus 10 into 30, minus 130, minus into minus plus 2 into 10 is 20x is equal to minus 12. Now 27x minus 130 plus 20x is equal to minus 12 into 3. So which is in division part, if it goes to the other side, it will become multiplication. Now 27x plus 20x will be 47x minus 130 is equal to minus 12 into 3 is minus 36. Now 47x is equal to minus 36 plus 130. If it goes to the other side, it will become plus 130. Now 47x is equal to, if you calculate this, the answer is 94. So x is equal to 94 by 47, which is equal to, if you cancel this, you will be getting 2. Therefore, the answer is x is equal to 2. Now you got one value. Now you got x is equal to 2. Now what I am doing is, I am substituting this x is equal to 2 in the equation 2. So 2 equation, how I got 2 equation from B? From equation B, I got equation 2. I am writing that equation 2 again because I am going to substitute this x is equal to 2 in this to get the y value. So now substitute x is equal to 2 in equation 2. If I substitute, what will I get? 2 into the place of x, you have to substitute 2 plus 3y is equal to 13. So 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3y is equal to 13. Now 3y is equal to 13 minus 4. Y is equal to 13 minus 3y is equal to 13 minus 4 is 9. So y is equal to 9 by 3. So y is equal to 3. Now I got the solution. What is the solution? Solution is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So these are the solutions. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 is the solution. Now how can you verify? You can substitute this in any one of the equations above, 1 or 2. Let us also verify. So these are the equation 1 and 2. You can substitute in any equation 1 or 2. So I am substituting in 2. So put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 in equation 2. So what will you get? 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 is equal to 13. So what will you get? 2 2s are 4 plus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 13. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 is equal to 13. Now you have verified. So your solutions are correct. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. If you have any doubt, you can post it in the comment box, and thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Please to subscribe to our channel.